Welcome back, guys. So this is question 1.4 of our book Probability and Statistics for Engineers and Scientists by Walpole 8th edition. And the statement of this question is: in a study conducted by the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Virginia Tech, the steel rods supplied by two different companies were compared. 10 sample springs were made out of the steel rods supplied by each company, and a measure of flexibility was recorded for each. The data are as follows. This is the recorded measure of the flexibility for company A and company B as well. Okay, let me first make it somehow narrower. So this is company A and company B. So these are the 10 data points, and on the basis of these data, we have to calculate the sample mean and median for the data for the two companies, which is part A, and in part B we have to plot the data for the two companies. Okay, so let me first sort it out. Why sorting it? In mean, we don't have to sort it, we just have to do what? If you want to find out the mean of a data, what do you have to do? If xi are the data points where I are from the first to the last data point, we have to add them together and divide them over n, which are the total number of points. Here n are basically what? These are basically 10 for the mean of company A and B as well. So here for both of these companies, x of I will be from 1 to 10 and dividing it over 10 as well. Okay, so this will be for company A and company B as well. So you have to add them together. For company A, we will have the mean A, and that would be this data: 9.3 plus 8.8 plus 6.8 plus 8.7 plus 8.5. Okay, let me add them here: 9.3 plus 8.8 plus 6.8 plus 8.7 plus 8.5 plus 6.7 plus 8.0 plus 6.5 plus 9.2 plus 7.0. You have to add them all and divide them over this total number of points, which are 10. Okay, so these will be here. Okay, this will be the mean for company A, or here we have this data for it. We have this company. For company B, we have had this mean of B. Here you have to add 11.0, 9.8, 9.9, 10.2, 10.1, 9.7, 11.0 up to 9.6. So it will be 11.0 plus 9.8 plus 9.9, all up to what? All up to the points which are here 9.6, and divide them all over this 10. Okay, this will be the division, the overall division. You will get the mean for A and B. To find out the median for them, you have to sort them here. So let me sort it in ascending order. So here the smallest of it will be 6.5. Here this is the second smallest. Here is, let me take a look, that is 6.7. Okay, so that is now 6.7. Let me cut it here, and then 6.8, 6.8, then what? Let me see, then 7.0, 7.0, then what? Then 8.0. Okay, then what? 8.5. Okay, then 8.7. Okay, then 8.8, which is here. Okay, and then what? Then 9.2, and the remaining one is this 9.3. This is 9.3. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 data points. So let me take the middle one of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth one, and also here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is again the fourth one. So these two are basically the middle ones. Okay, so what do we have to do in this case? Because the total number of points here are even, so we have to take the two middle points and add them together and then find the mean of it. So that would be this is 16.5 divided by 2, and that would be 8.25. Okay, so median of it is 8.25. Similarly, for the company B, we have to follow the same procedure where we have to sort the data, and the smallest of it is 9.6. Okay, so 9.6, and then 9.7, 9.7, then 9.8. Okay, yes, then 9.9, 9.9, and okay, then 10.1, 10.2, 10.1, 10.2, 10.2, because 2 times 10.2 we have. Okay, then 11.0, 11.0. Okay, so 11.0, 11.0, and the last one is 11.1. So 11.1. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 data points. Again, the total number of points here are even because this is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth one, and also 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth one as well. So let me separate out. So these two, okay, 10.1 and 10.2. 10.1 plus 10.2 divided by 2. So this will be 20.3 divided by 2. So this will be 10.15. Okay, so the median for it is this one. Also, you can see that this data is not that much spreaded one. Okay, so the variance of it is also very small, while the variance here is higher, because you can see the smallest number and the highest number. 9.3 minus 6.5, 3 minus 6.5, which is around how much? So this will be 9.3 minus 6.5, and here we have 11.1 minus 9.6. You can subtract them and you will see that this number is lower than this one, which shows the degree of dispersity here, and we can see that this is not that much dispersed at this as this one is. So for part B, we will plot it, and you can also see my previous videos regarding the plotting of this type of data. If you guys have any question regarding it, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.